today's video is going to be a quick one. We're just going to do a little unboxing, like my first order from Monkey Wrench Racing, and I'm going to do a little work on the Matrix finally, you know, since I have stuff now, and at the very end we'll unbox this, so stay tuned. Oh, I'm so glad that didn't get on me. It's honestly not as dark as I was expecting, and I'm glad for that. Wow. Ugh, yeah, this gear oil. Man. Well, time for the good stuff to go in. Monkey Wrench Racing magnetic drain plug. I had to go and buy this damn socket. That's the only time I'm going to use it, because this appears to be smaller, like a 22 or something, but I will find out momentarily. Ugh, I hate the smell of gear oil. It's horrible. Horrible. Over. Yeah, that looks sweet. And it'll be nice too, because it catches all the nonsense. The stock one has no magnet, so that'll make a big difference, I think. Yeah, so the new drain plug was a 17 millimeter, and now it's time for the good to go inside. It's impossible to do with one hand, but when every bottle's $25, it is its own spout. Thing's sick. It's gonna take 3 of these, so once it's full, I'm gonna take it for a drive. You know, get it all warmed up, make sure everything's good, feel how it shifts, and then it'll be done for the day. I didn't have all the information right, apparently. because it started filling up right at the end of 2 liters. Started running out the fill hole, and that's where you stop. So that's about 2.3 quarts, which is about what it calls for. Because I forgot these are liters, not quart bottles. So should be full now. Gonna give it a drive and see what it does. So as you saw in the video, did the gear oil on the Matrix, unboxed the first round of goodies. I'm gonna order a few more things before I do stuff like the brake lines and the brake bleeders and stuff like that, like pads and rotors and stuff. The shift cable bushings I want to do soon, but they looked really hard to get to when I inspected it. So if you have any tips on how to do the shift cable bushings on the Matrixes, or like an easier way to get to it, that'd be much appreciated in the comments. Because just off what I saw, it looked like a real pain in the butt, so I didn't even attempt it today, or when I did the gear oil. So well, since you're here at the end, I'm gonna unbox this real quick. If you don't recognize the labeling, it's Never Content. It's nothing crazy, but sick. So this is for the Matrix. Kind of doing like a white with a gold and yellow like accent kind of thing. I only got one because I'm just going to do it on the rear. I don't think I'm going to run a front plate at all. But yeah, this thing is sweet. It's Never Content at the top, and then it says enjoy the ride at the bottom, the box cat. So yeah, once I get a few more things done, like window tint and maybe like the calipers painted and rotors and new rotors and stuff, basically it looks less musty, less stock. Go ahead and slap this thing on, but that'll be a future video. I'm sure I'll be doing other things, and then this will be like at the very end or something. So hell yeah, well, subscribe, drop a like, and there's more content to be made. There's more videos to be made, so stay tuned.